Hey folks, Simon here with your Tau Daily video update for Wednesday, the 30th of July market close. Nothing happened on Wednesday during market session. The FOMC was a fizzle. All of the excitement happened after market. We had two mega caps release earnings. One was Microsoft. Now, I was a little nervous on Microsoft going into this result because it has had a monster run. All right, this is a highly unusual period of strength for Microsoft. Big gap up at last earnings, and boy, did it just chug higher. But boy, did they deliver. Microsoft beat across revenue, earnings. Their Azure business grew at 39% versus an estimate of 34%, which is a ridiculous growth rate for a multi-billion dollar business. Market loved the number, rallied 8% after market, so that gap is even slightly larger than the one last quarter, and Microsoft just seems to be going from strength to strength. Meta was not to be outdone. They had a great result as well. EPS beat by 21%. They raised their guidance by 6% for the third quarter, and the stock rallied 11% after market, another big gap up with an $80 rally after markets. Both of those tech titans leading Nasdaq futures, which are currently up about 1.4% pre-market. The FOMC rate decision was pretty boring. Rates are held steady. They're going to remain data dependent between now and September's decision. A lot of fuss is being made over the fact that there were two dissenters to this hold rates steady decision, something that hasn't happened since 1993. But both of those dissents were politically motivated and well telegraphed, both Waller and Bowman, the two dissenters. Keep an eye on the dollar here. The dollar really does look like it's bottomed. We are now in a short-term uptrend that's unequivocal, higher highs and higher lows. Moving averages are turning up, likely to become even more of a headwind for things like gold, which has broken its 50-day moving average, and silver, which is having a fair old plunge today as well. And what's going on in copper is completely crazy. You might remember 3 weeks ago we had a 13% one-day rally when the Trump administration, they were going to place a 50% tariff on copper. Well, right now copper futures are down over 20%, and that's due to clarification on that tariff. It's only going to be semi-finished copper products, but not copper ore, that's subject to the tariff. So you got this global commodity which is trading like a meme stock. I've got to say, quite shocking to me. That's a wrap for today, folks. I hope it helps. I wish you good trading.